Hi there everybody, we're going to quickly look at perimeter. I'm going to start off by counting, so I'm going to briefly kind of run through this one because amazingly even perimeter by counting we do see mistakes in exams, and of course that's not what we want, especially when it's a reasonably straightforward kind of concept. So I just want to kind of highlight a way of just making sure that you don't make mistakes on it. But a perimeter essentially is the distance around the outside of a shape. All right, so when you're counting, you've got to be careful not to count the boxes at the corners. And again, I think this is the thing that kind of goes wrong. So if I ask for the perimeter here, in terms of counting, so what tends to people do is they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, they're counting the boxes around the outside where actually you need to be counting from the corners. All right, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So counting from the corners, basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You'd think it'd be straightforward, but amazingly, people still make those mistakes. All right, all the way around the outside. All right, so pretty much 12 centimeters. Same over here. Again, we're not counting the boxes, we're counting from the corner. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, so start from a corner, finish at a corner. All right, so it doesn't really matter where you start as long as you're counting very, very carefully. And I got 16, so hopefully these get 16 as well. All right, so 16 centimeters. The reality, I suppose, is that whilst you might get the odd question like that, it's more likely to be a case of they just give you the dimensions or the numbers which represent the perimeter. And of course, in terms of finding it, you just need to add them. All right, so 5 plus 6 plus 8 is the perimeter of that particular shape. It's just 19 centimeters. But they may give you something that they expect you to know what the properties of shapes are. So hopefully they would recognize that this is a rectangle where the sides opposites are both the same. So the perimeter of this one would be 10 and 10 and 4 and 4. So I need to add all those together, which is going to give you 28. And then finally, where it gets a little bit more awkward is the idea of thinking about a perimeter of compound shapes. Well, maybe some information is missing and you don't have everything. Well, the perimeter is still the distance around the outside. But what's missing, and you can see from here, you're missing these two dimensions. They're not there. So we need to be able to figure those two out. All right. Well, essentially, if this bit here is 3 and this bit here is 5, then this value here must be the difference. So that must be 2. And again, if this distance here is 10 and that distance there is 6, then this gap here must be 4. All right. So there we go. So we've got those there. So giving that 2. And then this one over here, because of the difference between the two, it's going to give you a value of 4 there. And now I can just add all the numbers that you currently see because I've got all the information there, haven't I? So 10 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 is going to give you a distance, a perimeter of 30 centimeters. All right, so that's perimeter. Okay, please go to maths-school.co.uk, link at the bottom to practice and consolidate. Obviously, there are other kind of questions that involve perimeter, such as algebra in shapes. So you might want to look at that one as well. But that's it pretty much. All right. Thanks for listening.